India reporting 43,654 new cases in the last 24 hours. That's a significant jump from yesterday's numbers, which were in the 29,000s. But as our reporters have been explaining, that may well have been the start of the week effect. But deaths reported in the last 24 hours also stand at 640. Now, that's a jump of 225 as well. Joining us to make sense of those numbers is NDTV's Meher Pandey. Meher, we're now seeing a 13,000, almost 14,000 rise in daily cases in just a span of 24 hours or so. Quite a sharp hike in deaths as well. What are we to make of these numbers?
Exactly. So as you said, Ankita, this may be due to it because it's the beginning of the week. There are internal corrections in the data at this point. But it's important to remember that the Health Ministry just yesterday told us that 22 districts in all of India are now reporting a daily increasing trend in the daily cases that they report. And these districts are located in Kerala and the Northeast. In particular, Mizoram is a state that's recording massive increases in daily cases every day. So the backlog of those cases may also be adding to the massive increase we've seen today from yesterday. Today there's been a recording of 43,654 cases, and yesterday it was 29,689. So it looks like a big jump. It may be because of data correction, but there is also cause for concern in certain areas. They did say that these rise in cases are localized to Kerala and the Northeast, but there is still substantial need for concern. The active caseload is currently 3,99,436. And this constitutes 1.27% of the total cases. The weekly positivity rate is at 2.36%. So, but this is important to remember that again, if we look at district level data, 54 districts across India are reporting over 10% weekly test positivity rate. And these districts are also located in Kerala and the Northeast. So these are areas that we need to be looking at. There is cause for concern there. And at this point, where cases are rising in certain areas, containment, testing and vaccination will be key. So at this point, it's encouraging that vaccination has increased. It's now 44.61 crore doses that have been given overall. Right. But still, daily fluctuations in vaccinations continue. So back to you.